we're back where we left off on our last trip. We're at the exit point, and so we're putting in here to head down stream again and see how far we can get, hoping to get to Freres crossing. It's going to be a beautiful hot day, but everywhere is covered in smoke, must be bushfires somewhere. The track down was all overgrown, so it's a bit hard to follow, but you just follow the creek and you'll make your way down to the beach. So we'll set off and see where we can end up. That was our first choke, not far from the start. Had to go around, come out on that sandy beach. Well, that's where I'm going. Cockies are all going off. And then start heading to another choke. Let's see what we can find there. There's something there. Some more boulders. Can hear a lot more fast moving water up ahead, but we've got a log blocking access, so have to carry again. This is one of the beaches at Freres Crossing. It's on army land, but everyone comes across. Used to be a better rope swing than that one. That's gone. And see the cliff lines up there, there's tracks up the top of that one. Come down that way, get rough. There's a lookout straight across. I'm looking now up the top for Freres Crossing. And there is a track that comes down, but it's all washed out. So it's best just, unless you, it's better to walk down the road to the actual crossings. Nice causeway down there. If you come down here for a swim, the beach there is the best spot if you want deep water, because it gets around here, it gets shallower. Not much of a beach, but decent water. The road's just up there, fire trail. So yeah, we made it to Freres Crossing, easy paddle, not as much portage, shorter distance than last week's paddle. You can see we're at Freres Crossing. This is a road, a fire trail that goes into the army land. It's used by the army. You go up that way a bit further, big gate, can't get through. And down there, we're heading down the basin. There's more walking down that way than paddling, so we might skip that bit. Anyway, that's for another day.